One of the biggest differences homeowners will notice when they go to tankless or high efficiency tank models such as a heat pump is tankless, you're gonna have endless hot water. You never run out of hot water if you have back-to-back showers. Heat pump, it uses ambient air to help heat the water. So it's gonna be much more efficient than a standard electric tank. So with the warmer climate and higher energy use in the summer, especially with the air conditioner running more often, it is great to save energy with a hybrid electric heat pump water heater versus standard tank that's heating the water all day long. And as far as tankless, you're not heating the water all day, so it's only when you're calling for water, so there's much energy savings there as well. So a tankless water heater does require yearly maintenance, but you're not storing hot water and heating it all day long. And the lifespan is up to 20 years versus a tank average lifespan is 8 to 12 years. A heat pump tank water heater comes with a 10-year warranty versus a standard 6-year. Another benefit of a tankless water heater is you don't have 30 to 50 to 75 gallons of water just sitting there in a tank, essentially a ticking time bomb. Common misconception about tankless water heaters is they do not perform as well as a tank. That information is wrong. Tankless can actually perform better, giving you endless hot water, and with a pump will provide instant hot water. If a homeowner is worried about the upfront cost of a tankless water heater, the truth is that they actually pay for themselves in the lifespan of the water heater. You're going to get 2 to 3 times the amount of lifespan out of the tankless versus a tank. The cost of the tanks are never going down. You know, the lifespan of the unit as well as the energy costs that you will be saving. And then there are also tax credits and rebates from your local utility companies. Right now, Rite is offering 15% off any plumbing installation or service, including tankless and heat pump water heaters. Call or text 480-WE-FIX-IT or visit ritewayphoenix.com to get started today.